How to tie the blood knot. Going off to the right hand side is my working end. So to tie the blood knot, all we do is we get hold of the cordage part way down, and then what I'm going to do is just wrap it round my thumb once and then go round again towards my hand and wrap it round for a second time. Now that I've done that, I take my thumb out of those two loops that I've created there. I then pass the working end through those two loops and then just gently pull up and dress it nice and smartly, and there we have it, 1 in number blood knot.